Vanakkam friends, welcome back to LemanaTv classical series. Today we are traveling to Gujarat to explore the vibrant devotional dance, Garba. Garba is performed during Navratri, celebrating goddess Durga. Dancers move in circles with rhythmic claps, expressing devotion and joy.
To perform Garba, I must prepare with traditional costume and festive makeup. Let's get ready for the show!
Garba costume includes colorful mirrorwork fabrics, decorative waist belts, and festive ornaments.
I'm ready for the Garba performance. Let's celebrate devotion and rhythm together. Namaste. Welcome to LemanaTv classical series. Today we explore the devotional dance of Gujarat, Garba. Garba is performed during Navratri, celebrating goddess Durga with devotion, rhythm, and joyful circular movements. Garba begins with devotion to goddess Durga.
Garba moves in sacred circular patterns.
Clapping unites every dancer in rhythm.
Each step flows with devotion. Grace defines every movement.
Mirrorwork shines under Navratri lights. Garba expresses gratitude and faith.
The rhythm builds joyfully. Footwork follows the beat of the Dhol. Garba celebrates community spirit. The circle symbolizes life's eternal motion. This pattern echoes through Gujarat. The colors reflect Gujarati culture.
Garba honors divine energy.
Energy rises with every beat. Balance and rhythm unite.
Garba is joyful and spiritual.
Experience grows with rhythm. The dance connects to the divine.
Garba lights up Navratri nights.
Garba inspires joyful interaction. The rhythm reaches its peak. The beats grow lively.
Even in speed, grace remains. The celebration shines brightly.
Garba concludes in vibrant motion. With gratitude, the dance ends.
This is the beautiful Garba of Gujarat. That was a joyful Garba celebration. Thank you for dancing with me. After every performance, we respect the costume and carefully remove the traditional makeup.
Thank you for watching LemanaTv Classical Series. Like, share, and subscribe. We will meet again with another beautiful Indian classical tradition.